say that you get the benefits quicker, but it takes a little bit of time for the serum to entirely absorb physically onto your skin. This will take me a good amount of 2 to 3 minutes, which is kind of relaxing for me. I love how it buzzes, and that vibrating sensation on my face is very relaxing. The noise I don't mind, and you can really see that the serum has been evenly spread throughout my face. The metal plate right here is cold, and as you can see, the serum is spread throughout my skin, and you can even see the streaks or the lines on the product or the tool itself. So I'm just gonna continue massaging my face with this. Normally when I apply the serum on my face, it will just take like a second and it's just gone physically, but I don't know if that really does its job. However, with this one, the very next day, my skin would just feel so much supple. I guess it is really helping, amplify the benefits of the serum that I've been using. And to know if you're done with the product or the tool, your serum will start to get cackier and it's very hard to pull it up. So that's the time that you know that the serum has been completely absorbed and spread throughout with this tool. So I like tugging my skin upwards and pushing it upwards in this motion. That way I can feel my skin being stretched, and as early as now you can prevent aging and you would age gracefully. Do not tug too much on the eye area because you have very sensitive under eyes. Okay, and that's that. To clean this one is actually very easy. Do not soak it in water. Just get alcohol or any cleanser. For me, I just use the Avent again. Spray it a little bit. Don't wet it, and then just wipe it off clean. That's just very easy. If you are concerned of germs or bacteria building up in here, do not worry because it is a stainless steel plate, so bacteria or anything that is in that form will not grow over this plate. But if you're still skeptic, use alcohol to disinfect it. But I'm already okay with that. So that's just pretty much it with the therapy. You can use this every day if you want to, and if you have a lot of time, why not? But I try to use it every other day if I can. If I don't really have time, then I try to use it at least once a week. And let me tell you, I could really see the difference. I kid you not, after a week or two of using this product straight, because I was trying to test it out, this serum has definitely absorbed to my skin much more effective with this one rather than my hand, because when you use your hand, it tends to also transfer on your hand, and all the serum will just be absorbed to your hand also. Alright, so this is my face post usage of the Dr. Ionic 3D Innovation System. My verdict on this one, you could clearly see the difference even at the first use. It helped my skin absorb the serum even quicker, and it also helped my skin relax at the same time. The metal plate has helped my skin or my pores close even faster. That is one of my dilemmas and my problems with my skin, which is circular pores around my butterfly area right here. This one has helped me a lot. However, the results will vary for each person. For me, it took about 2 to 3 weeks before I could clearly see the difference. So if you have used it once and you don't see the difference, you just have to be patient with this tool because it does take a little bit of time for you to completely get the best results. Do you need this tool in your kit? Maybe not. However, if you're a serum junkie and you want to amplify the benefits of your serum, this is a good tool. This also comes with types of ampules that comes with a set. However, I didn't purchase that one because I have my own serums that would work for me. So if you have your own serums that work for you and you just want to amplify their performance, then this will help you.